I live in Osaka and decided to get my motorcycle license. I spent 2 to 3 days calling schools in 4 cities. I sent emails and got replies, but not what I hoped for. After 3 days of searching, I finally found 2 schools with actual English support. Both are in Tokyo. Koyama Driving School. Despite having multiple locations, only one has English support for large motorcycle lessons. You cannot go directly for large motorcycle license. At first you need to get regular. But if you apply for both at the same time, they will waive the administration fee. Second is Shin Tokyo Driving School. From first glance, it offers better price. And you can go directly for large motorcycle license. Now, I have to decide. Do I go to Tokyo just to get my license? Or give up my dream?